So let's start with the early stages. Ritual for dating. When you're dating, I think that many of us understand that creating rituals with this new person basically begins to create something that is shared. Shared sense of meaning, shared places, shared associations to those places. You begin to see that it leaves me, my own individuality, and it becomes the beginning of an us. That us may be created because we find music that we share and we make a playlist together. It may be that we're eating different cuisines from different countries of the places that we think we're going to go and travel to. That may be a place that we're taking this person to because it's a place that means a lot to me and I want to share it with you. It may be that I invite you to come to my home and I cook for you a dish that is special to me and that I would hope will become special to you. Ritual. Choosing together a favorite cafe to go and that becomes our place, our lunch place, our nook, our corner, our bench. You can see the beginning of that boundary making around two people through the ritual. Offering a scarf, offering an object that we both wear at the same time so that it becomes also a part of our story. When you are dating longer and you come into the person's house and for the first time there's actually an empty drawer waiting for you to start to put your stuff, meaning a ritual of transition into we're becoming more serious. We're beginning to have parts of ourselves, things that belong to us in the house of the other person.